In this video, I will show you step by step how to make colored caption on CapCut. So first up, I will show you step by step how to create a stylish caption like this one on your CapCut. So now I'll start by deleting this caption. After I deleted my own caption, I'll go to caption section. After you go to the captions, then you select the language of your video and you go to generate. So now here is my caption. So the next thing to do, now you highlight all the caption. After you select all the caption, you go to this option under this text. So under this text, then scroll to down. If you scroll to down here, it says preset style. So you click on this arrow beside. So now you select the color you want to use. Let's say I want to use this yellow color. So I'll select this color. So the next thing, I'll go to the off and select this one, animation. After you go to the animation, then you go to caption. After you go to caption, then you scroll to down. Now you select the caption style. So for this one, I'll go with this one. So
Is
I'll go
one
with
of the
this
most
one. So the next thing
well-known
to do, you go to this text. After you go to the text, now if you are satisfied with the text, with the font style, you are good to go. But if you want to change the font style, go to text. After you go to the text, here is font, and then you click on this font button. So here it will give you different font from the CapCut. Now you scroll to down. If you go to bottom, here it will give you different font style. So for this video, I'll go with this one. I'll select, let's say, this one. Or I'll go with this one. After you select the font style, allow it to finish applying. So now here is my font style. At the same time, now if you want to change the color of the font, if you want to change the color, you just select all the text caption and then you go to text. After you go to text, then you scroll to down. Now here is color. So you click on it. If you click on it, here it will give you option to change the color for your caption. So that's it, guys, on how to change or how to make colored caption on CapCut. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll meet in the
it's
next one.
definitely
Thanks for watching, guys.